Well, hello and welcome back to SJ Rips. Today we're opening up another One Piece box. So not sure which one this is, but we'll get into it and see what's in here. Very nice box. There we go. It's actually had that the wrong way around, so we'll open it up. Packs. Okay, so we've got 20 packs. Let's get ripping. And these look like it could be the same as the similar to one of the other boxes that we opened. Usopp, Brooks are just regular cards so far. SR of Chopper. Oh, and we have a UR. Got a UR of Usopp there. Very nice. Next pack. Card Sanji. Looks like this might be around the Fishman Island arc, this box. We've got an SR of Zoro. Oh, and we have an SSR of Nami. Luffy, Chopper, second card in the same pack, SR of Arlong, SR of Robin, and then we have an NH. Someone asked me in the last, I think it was the last One Piece video that I did, what NH stood for. I've tried to find out. I have absolutely no idea. So if anybody knows what NH actually stands for, please let me know in the comments. Jinbei. Chopper. Another SR of Arlong. And we have an SSR of Arlong. There seems to be two different SSRs styles, maybe? Or maybe that's just, I don't know, looks the same. Next pack. R of Zoro, Robin, SR of Nami. Getting a few repeats already in this box. And we have an SSR of Robin. We have Frankie, Nami, SR Jinbei, SR Frankie, and another SSR. Zoro, an SR of Sanji. And we have another NH. It's time with the whole crew. Hey, Robin, Jinbei, SR, SR of Usopp, and we have an SSR of Chopper. Frankie, Nami, SR of Sanji, and another SSR. I like the background on that one. There he is again. SR for Luffy. And an SSR for Luffy. Chopper, Luffy, SR for Brook, and we have another NH. Zoro, Robin, Jinbei, SR of Usopp, and an SSR of Zoro. Nami, getting a lot of repeats in the SRs, and we've got an SSR. Frankie, Nami, Frankie again, same two cards in the one pack. SR of Sanji, and SSR of Chopper. Brook, Luffy, and SR. Oh, and then we've got a TSR. Have not seen a TSR card before. Like the NH, if you know what a TSR stands for, please. Might be something super rare, maybe. Usopp, SR of, is it Hachi? SR of Chopper, and we've got another NH. That's the same as the other one. Okay, 4 packs to go now. Sanji, SR of Zoro, and another SSR that we had earlier on in the box. Chopper, Luffy, SR of Zoro, SR of Robin, and another SSR of Luffy. Robin, Jinbei, SR of Arlong, SR of Robin, and another SSR. A final pack. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Zoro, SR of Nami. Oh, and we have another NH. Nice. Just to recap, we had an UR of Usopp, quite a few NHs, and then we had the TSR. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.